50 sentences using the word near.
The park is near our house.
I live near the beach.
There's a cafe near the office.
The library is near the school.
The supermarket is near the mall.
He parked his car near the entrance.
She found a cozy spot near the fireplace.
The airport is near the city center.
We went for a walk near the river. The hiking trail is near the campsite.
The restaurant is near the movie theater.
The playground is near the daycare.
The museum is near the historic district.
I placed your keys near the door.
There's a gas station near the highway.
The hotel is near the train station.
The farm is near the countryside.
The church is near the town square.
The hospital is near the clinic.
The mountain is near the forest.
The bus stop is near the school.
The bakery is near the coffee shop.
The gym is near the apartment complex.
The post office is near the bank.
The cafe is near the bookstore.
The pharmacy is near the doctor's office.
The zoo is near the botanical garden.
The soccer field is near the park. The convenience store is near the gas station.
The swimming pool is near the community center.
The beach is near the boardwalk.
The ice cream parlor is near the arcade.
The theater is near the art gallery.
The hiking trail is near the waterfall.
The hotel is near the ski resort.
The yoga studio is near the wellness center.
The fishing spot is near the lake.
The cafe is near the university. The playground is near the daycare center.
The museum is near the historic mansion.
The zoo is near the wildlife sanctuary.
The post office is near the shopping mall.
The library is near the community center.
The bakery is near the farmer's market.
The beach is near the pier.
The gym is near the shopping district.
The park is near the botanical garden.
The cafe is near the riverside.
The hiking trail is near the forest.
The ice cream parlor is near the park.